Good morning, everybody. God bless you. In Jesus' most glorious name. It is 8:15 a.m. Australian time, and it is Saturday, the 23rd of September 2023, and I'd like to share this story with you. This is about the bees. We know that they want to get rid of the bees because without bees, the food supply pretty much ends. So they want to replace them with flies. We know Satan likes to counterfeit everything that belongs to the Most High, and he's also known as the Lord of the Flies. So they want to get rid of the bees and replace them with flies. So I'll just read a bit of this article, and I'll leave a link in the description box and in the pinned comment, and you can read the rest of it for yourself if you like. As Australia's bees face varroa mite infestation, it's hoped hoverflies can fill the role of crop pollinator. Don't you find that name strange? Hoverflies? Hover? Short for Jehovah? Yehovah? Hover? Yes. Satan wants to be like the Most High. In short, as bees face threats like varroa mite, a fly is proving its pollination skills. They don't sting, don't bite, and don't have a hive. Instead, they nest around the foliage of crops. What's next? A Tasmanian company is sending out 2 million hoverflies to pollinate carrot crops this summer to prove their commercial use. Won't be eating carrots anymore. As threats to Australia's bee population increase including from varroa mite, a fly is emerging as a top alternative pollinator. Hoverflies look a little like bees. They're about the same size, but they don't sting, so they're arguably easier to work with. They eat nectar and pollen, and their hairy bodies transfer pollen from flower to flower. Unlike bees, hoverflies don't go back to a hive. They stay on the crop, nesting in and around the foliage of the plants. This means they're not at risk of varroa mite infestation, as the mites feed and complete their lifestyle on adult bees in the hive. In the field environment, hoverflies live about 4 to 5 weeks. Wow, look at that. That's disgusting. That looks like a hybrid. It looks like a bee-fly hybrid. I could be wrong, but that's what it looks like to me. Hoverflies collect pollen on their fine hairs and move between male and female carrot seed plants. This December, the pollinator alternative will be tested on commercial carrot crops in Tasmania. Wow. He's confident hoverflies will do as good a job as bees. So they're pretty much telling us they're going to get rid of the bees. They want to get rid of the bees and replace them with these things. What is that? Look like maggots. Eat the bugs. So yes, I will leave a link to this story, and let me know what you think about it. I also wanted to mention that that they were euthanizing beehives. So yeah, they always use the threat of, got to be very careful with my words, sickness, you know what I'm talking about, as their justification of taking things out. Do you see that? That says there. So, yep. how we're doing that. See, about 30,000 hives have been euthanized by authorities since varroa mite was detected 15 months ago in sentinel hives at the port of Newcastle. So I will leave a link to both these articles. I love you all in Jesus' name. I hope you have a beautiful day.